Sprinkle cinnamon on the banana peel. This is one of the best things you'll soon discover. Peel the banana, set the soft fruit aside, and keep the peel, which has more antioxidants than the flesh. Cut the banana peel into smaller pieces and place them in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon, which has warming and antibacterial properties. Add 3 bay leaves, which support digestion and provide a deep herbal aroma. Toss in a handful of cloves, which boost immunity and warm the body. Add a tablespoon of dried ginger, which stimulates the metabolism and adds a touch of natural spice. Pour warm water over the mixture. Stir gently, allowing the spices to release their best qualities. Transfer the mixture to a pot. Heat slowly, stirring as if each moment matters. Cook for 10 minutes to create an aromatic drink with a warming character from just a few simple ingredients. Strain the liquid through a sieve. Add 1 cup of water. Try this infusion simple, natural, full of aroma and warmth. It's a simple ritual that warms the body and soothes the senses. Drink slowly, savoring each moment.